In this video, we'll do a full overview of Polygon and their token Matic. We'll take a look at the fundamentals. We'll take a look at the announcement, which was made 2 days ago, I think. What that means and what I expect from Matic in the future. So let's get right into it. First of all, hope you're all doing great. Good morning. And yeah, Matic itself, it has been quite bearish over the last few days, but altogether, if we zoom out, which is sometimes a great thing to do, we're still quite bullish. And over the last 3 months, we have been very, very stable, as you can see. Even compared to like where we were in June, we are way more bullish, like more than 100% up, which not a lot of cryptos can say. Let's be honest, I'm a big fan of Polygon. That's a disclaimer, or disclosure. I'm not sure. English is not my first language, but maybe both. But altogether, I like Polygon a lot. Right now, the volume is dropping down pretty low, but that's throughout the entire market. Market is kind of at a standstill, kind of awaiting if we are bullish or bearish, depending on the economics, which are quite bullish, and the fundamentals for crypto specifically, which are quite bearish. And then what Polygon also had is that they, I think 2 days ago it was, they actually said that they had a huge announcement, or at least an announcement, which made the price quite bullish. Where was it? I'm not going to zoom back all the way. Alright, doesn't matter. I'm not going to zoom all the way or scroll all the way. But they made an announcement right here. I think it was the 22nd or something. Yeah, 22nd. And then that announcement wasn't very big. I'm not even sure with what partner that was anymore. Maybe it was big for them, but I saw some rumors about a partnership with YouTube or something. That definitely wasn't it. So what you got is that you got the effect of being bullish before an announcement, and when it's made, you drop down. That always happens. So that's also what Matic did. Found resistance ultimately at 88 cents, which was quite a strong resistance level. And what I said there is that we would probably drop down, find some support around 84 cents, which we did, then find some support at 82 cents, which we are doing right now. But that does mean that I expect us to drop down a little bit lower. And why that is also because Matic was already quite inflated, all right, in price. Matic, compared to other cryptos, is still very high. Even compared to the middle and the end of September, we are pretty high, and that's something to be grateful about, because, or it's something to be grateful about, but that also means that right now we are a little bit more susceptible to falling, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. Definitely not for the long-term future, but for the short term, what I do expect is that unless the market gets bullish, because you should always know if Bitcoin right now gets bullish, if Bitcoin breaks above 17,000, Matic will also break above, or will get up to 88 cents and break above that and start heading up to 95 cents. Matic is that correlated with Bitcoin at this point of time and in these market circumstances. So that's also something you should always know. But I don't expect that for Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin stays stable, Bitcoin doesn't even have to drop. What will happen for Matic is that we will maybe find some more support at 81.5 cents, because technically we haven't touched that yet. But eventually, I think we're dropping down to this level right here at 78 cents again, which is a level I think we are going to hold. And then we'll kind of consolidate between 84 and 78 cents. And we will wait for what we were talking about at the beginning of this video, about the direction of the market. So that could depend on more or new fundamentals related to crypto, bankruptcies, great projects, great developments. But it could also be depending on economic things like the inflation or rates, or the most importantly the interest rates and the development of which in the US. I think we're going to have to wait for that. We could have some moves in the meanwhile, but I think those are the main catalysts that will also depend, or which will also decide whether Matic can start an uptrend or whether we are going to drop down a little bit more towards 70 cents. But if anything like that comes out, I will definitely update Matic, so make sure to subscribe if you're interested in that. But for now, that's my take. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, have a great day and bye.